Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. If you're not already following me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at the Calipet. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. Today's adventure is going to start over here at City Walk because there's a lot to talk about. Today is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's to everybody celebrating today. I'm going to take my beautiful girlfriend to a hot date. I can't wait for that. But City Walk is having some new additions that I'm very excited for. Opening up later this month, no exact date just yet, but it will be this month, is the tribute store for Universal Monsters. We're going to have unique items for Frankenstein, the Bride, Dracula, Wolfman. Can't wait to check this out. Once it opens, we'll be back for sure. We got lots of marketing now going up for Kung Fu Panda 4. March 8th is the day it debuts. I wonder if any of these characters or an outfit change, something for Kung Fu Panda is going to come to the theme park for meet and greet. We got some new additions over here at Cartooniversal, which is the toy shop on City Walk. Let's check it out. Gabby's Dollhouse, and a ton of it has arrived over here at City Walk. Not too familiar with this property, but I know they had Gabby, I think, as a meet and greet one time at Universal for like only a couple days, if I'm not mistaken. At least that's what I recall. I don't know who this cat is, but it's so cute. It has like where you push the ball and the ears move. Also too, they got like a whole Hello Kitty section now at this store as well. Two big important dates are happening over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. On the 15th, which is right around the corner, we're going to have the big grand opening of Power Up Cafe. There's a lot more to that cafe than we've seen on the soft opening, so very excited to try new treats. Also, on the 17th is going to be the 1-year anniversary of Super Nintendo World. I don't know how it's already been 1 year, but it has. Very excited. We're going to be here for both of those big moments that are happening at the theme park. We're also going to get the Gold Power Band on the 17th, so very excited for that. And I don't know if there's any other surprises with the grand or like the 1-year anniversary, but I'm just excited. Super Nintendo World has been such a blessing, a great addition to Universal Studios Hollywood. All right, everybody, in today's video, we're going to be checking out Fast and Furious construction. We're going to get it on the studio tour because a lot of things are happening there for the 60th of that. And I hope to get on Jurassic World and Step Challenge. We're going to do the steps today. Let's go. Also too, talking about the arches, what a tease from Universal Studios Hollywood about the whole Minecraft experience and the maps that are coming out for that. I thought it was going to be at the theme park. Bring Minecraft here. It is a Wednesday, Valentine's Day, celebrity treatment, VIP, sold out. That's how busy it is. Just on a Wednesday, sold out. And then the passes are discounted, so anybody interested, get your pass now. Save some money. I think Waterworld returned today. What? I didn't even know. That's good news. Finally, we get Waterworld back. Awesome. We might have to check that out. Just wanted to show the wait times. This is at 1:24 in the day. Honestly, the theme park is great right now. Look, no wait for the studio tour, so let's knock that out. Walls have finally come down all around the plaza. It is clearing out. I wonder if anything will come here for summertime. You know, that's around the corner. Or what their plans are. Do they put a maze? Remember when they used to do mazes and stuff here for Horror Nights? It's just been used as like the food, alcohol area, you know, the kind of chill area. But we'll see how things play out. Maybe Horror Nights comes back here with houses. We're officially in the middle of February. I feel like things are starting to heat up. And see a tent, a Halloween Horror Nights tent. Don't we all need that? We all need that about now. We're finally back to the good weather over here in Hollywood. So they're back at work. All the delays that have occurred because of the rain. And then a freaking earthquake. Worst time for an earthquake to happen. Sheesh. But check this out. They are just doing incredible. Freaking walls already going up. And they've gone vertical big time. You can now see that building right there. You can see it when you're standing on the other side over there of Simpsons area. Wow. And the big question still is, will the entrance for this ride be on that side? Will it be on that side? Or will the entrance go that way? There's been some rumor about it going that way on the other side of the escalators, which I was like, what? You never know. You honestly don't know. And then what's the fate of freaking Simpsons? What is the fate of this land? Does it stay? Is the fate of this gonna be going away soon? So enough of the upper lot area. Let's check out the hillside now. Tons of heavy machinery equipment. And then they're already doing concrete right here. Whatever this line is that they're doing, obviously it was one of the more important ones. Wow. They are just not messing around. Holy macaroni. The roller coaster will be going out in this direction, and they're already taking down trees. So lots of work now happening on that far end of the roller coaster. This is going to be so wild to see on a freaking hillside, a roller coaster on a hillside. I've been lucky enough to see Jurassic World, the ride, come to life, Super Nintendo World come to life, and now we're going to see Fast and Furious come to life. It's just been incredible seeing the change out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. They're really dedicated to the future. This theme park looks nothing like what it looked like 5 years ago. And in 10 years, it's gonna look nothing like what it looks like now. It's crazy the progress happening out here. There's actually a lot of construction happening over here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Let's check out on some of it. And maybe if the owl is back, the shoulder owl. It's been gone forever. First time I've seen this one. Wow, 35 bucks. It is all still behind walls. What a lot of people have speculated, it's gonna be soft serve ice cream coming to this location. And they're not selling the treats right now. Sadly, the pumpkin one, hopefully it comes back. That thing was so good. Sad update, no shoulder owl. Possibly March, April. But it is going to come back at some point. Stage over here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter has now gone behind walls, and this is where they do the Tri-Wizard tournament and just shows in general. I don't know what's going on with that. What we do see, though, is now a building finally coming alive. You can see the walls. And this is right across Forbidden Journey over here at the castle. And that is going to be lockers. All the lockers that are inside that is really tight in there are all going to just be moved outside. So more free area to roam around, get your lockers, get your stuff in there so you can then board the ride. All right, since Studio Tour has no wait time, let's go do that and then we'll head to the lower lot.
Now, almost everything I've mentioned so far that's been filming here on the lot has been a TV show. And we have a long history in television here at NBC Universal going back to 1939. That's when NBC made its very first live television broadcast for the opening ceremony of the World's Fair in New York. And we've been making TV ever since. It's on the map. They kept us in business during the Great Depression. We did not talk enough about them. We are now heading to Little Europe, which is where we filmed almost all of our classic monster movies. But it's also worth meeting everyone. We have about 10 minutes left in the tour, so just one last reminder that if you need any assistance at all, reach out and fill that red cord and stay seated, and I'll be back to help you out. But here to tell us,
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible mission and bring it to
Oh, yes, I did.
This
I did. Did you?
is nostalgic, small-time, Southern California.
That was freaky.
Home of former child star.
That's a fake here. That's from the world. That's from War of the World. War of the World.
Over there, look into the winking room and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie kid show. this whole place was a bad miracle?
Just wanted to show what it looks like on the other side of the escalators. It looks like they're prepping and ready to start drilling. The big takeaway from today's trip on the studio tour, it looks like a huge refurb is coming to War of the Worlds. They're working on a lot of that, and they're putting a road behind it, so maybe that refurb might not be ready for the 60th anniversary of the studio tour. I don't know, we'll see how all that plays out, but Earthquake, I can't wait to have Earthquake back on the studio tour. It's dearly missed. A video was just dropped also on YouTube, giving like a virtual POV of what this might look like, and it's insane what it looks like. The whole turning of the vehicle, ride vehicle, while you're like in loops and turns. It's like Cosmic Rewind on steroids. I remember people were saying Cosmic Rewind was Space Mountain on steroids. Now it's Cosmic Rewind on steroids, which is going to be this Fast and Furious ride. It's just so wild how cool this ride's going to be. Definite game changer roller coaster wise out here at Hollywood. We're on our way now to the lower lot. Let's see if any new merch and just kind of walk around and see what's up with Super Nintendo World. I'm in Production Central, which used to be Transformer store. And they got lots of cool bags. I wonder if this is a hint of the stuff coming to Production Central at Universal City Walk. Look at that. Or is this Production Central, which I guess used to be Transformer Vault, the Transformer store back in the day? Is this going to become a tribute store to Universal Monsters as well? That'll be cool. Look at this statue. Holy macaroni. I keep seeing all these videos on X of the popcorn Bumblebee. We have not got it over here in Hollywood. I hope we do, though. Bloop, 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 bloop. Let's see if we find any characters and check out if there's any new merch. Oh, it's so cute. This is a miracle. It is 3 o'clock and you can actually join the wait list. Can you believe that? That's awesome. All right, let's go to One Up Factory and see if there's anything new. I finally got a chance to see these pins. These are so nice. It's like the cups from the Mario Kart ride. 45 bucks. These are brand new. Princess Peach. Okay. What do we got here? Mario? Question mark block? How much are they sold for? 25? And then Luigi? This one's 25 too? No, this one's 22. Nothing new, but just want to let everybody know they've had these hats stocked big time. Even Bowser, they've had them a lot, so don't miss out on these. These are amazing. I thought it was pretty busy down here, but honestly, it's not that bad. Only 45 minutes for Mario Kart. A couple more things to do before we get on out of here. Jurassic World is one of those things. Wow. Like, Brett, I sat in the back. All right, we are back on the stair challenge. Let's see if we could put a good time today. I feel strong today. It's been a while since I've done the challenge, but I don't know. Today I just feel strong. We're doing the first half like nothing. It's that top half. That's the hard part. All right, we're at 65. We're doing good. We're doing good. We're at 80. We're at 120. Let's go. Let's finish strong. 140. Yeah. 2 minutes, 37 seconds. I felt good though. That is all for today's adventure over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Awesome time we had. And thank goodness for low crowds. I always appreciate low crowded days. Smash that like button on the way out. And thank you for supporting the fire. We are firing it down. The Cali Bank is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.